Is your phone battery dying faster than ever? Many people don't realize why their battery life is disappearing so quickly. It's not just an old battery. Many hidden factors drain power every second, often without your knowledge. They are constantly running in the background. Your screen is the biggest battery killer of all. Brightness alone can dramatically reduce battery life, sometimes destroying it completely. Brightness uses so much power because your screen requires electricity to create light. The brighter the screen, the more energy is consumed. While 120 Hz displays make phones feel faster and smoother, your battery pays the price. A higher refresh rate requires more power to keep the display updated. Apps never truly sleep. Many applications run secretly in the background, consuming power for updates, location services, and data synchronization. Social media apps are notoriously heavy. Features like videos, messages, tracking, and notifications keep these apps constantly active, which drains your battery. Your phone is always searching for connections. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and mobile signals use power non-stop as they look for networks or devices. A weak signal equals more battery drain. When the connection is poor, your phone works harder to maintain the connection, which uses more energy. Heat is a battery's enemy. When your phone gets hot, it loses energy much faster, and high temperatures can also damage the battery over time. Gaming pushes everything hard. The CPU, GPU, screen, and internet connection all work together intensely, significantly draining the battery. Fast charging creates more heat. More power entering the battery at a rapid pace means more temperature generation, which, as we saw, is detrimental to battery health. Notifications wake your phone constantly. Even when the screen is off, incoming alerts activate components, causing a steady drain on the battery. Live wallpapers also use battery. These animations require ongoing processing power and graphics rendering, consuming more energy than static backgrounds. Finally, battery health slowly decreases over time. Every recharge cycle slightly wears the battery down, reducing its overall capacity and lifespan. Ultimately, batteries age because tiny chemical reactions inside them slowly weaken over time, making them hold less charge. Cheap or uncertified chargers can damage your battery. Bad power delivery creates extra stress, which accelerates the aging process. Background updates never stop. Even when you're not using your phone, apps are constantly downloading and updating information. Widgets, such as weather, clocks, and live information feeds, also consume power. They must continuously refresh in the background. Using dark mode can actually help save battery life, especially on phones with OLED screens. OLED screens save battery because black pixels can completely turn off. This means less power is needed to light up the display. Activating battery saver mode reduces activity. Your phone limits hidden power usage and background functions to conserve energy. Closing apps isn't always helpful for battery life. Reopening them uses more power than letting them sit in the background memory. Modern phones are extremely busy. Hundreds of tiny tasks are happening every second, keeping your phone's processor working constantly. Even idle phones use battery because they are never truly off. They must remain alert for calls, messages, and updates. The real goal isn't achieving perfect battery life. It's about managing the power intelligently based on how you use your phone. Now you know the secret. Your battery isn't weak. Your phone is just constantly working to give you a smart and connected experience.